Okay, please. Okay, guys, so here's the blizzard right now. You can see, like, it's not that. Okay, well, now
It is pretty bad.
Breaking news, breaking news. Due to cold weather and snow, there will be no farms closed. Each and every farmer will be out in the blistering cold, blowing wind, tending to their livestock. They will be praying for machinery to work, non-frozen waterers, and warm, healthy animals. If you know a farmer, or if you ate yesterday and plan to eat today, thank and pray for farmers.
Feeding the cows and working hard with our grandpa like we did last time. We didn't make a video though, but we're gonna work out hard in this blizzard.
So, again, it's January 12th. It is Kingston's birthday. This is Hendrix.
Hey.
We're going to go over the weather. What's the temperature right now?
1-6.
1-6, 16 degrees outside. Look at that. The wind is blowing at, let's see, the wind is 22 miles per hour, which makes a wind chill of -1 outside. It feels like -1. But Grandpa has cows, right?
Yeah, they need help.
The cows need help. The cows still need to be fed. That's why we thank our farmers.
Gear up. I got my long johns on and they keep me warm. I can put my
So do I.
and take them off when I get back here. And
We're gonna have to put some
We also have a dog, Hollis.
She's a puppy.
and she's right
she got a
here.
Yeah.
I think we should put that on, right?
Yeah, we're gonna put that on.
She's almost 6 months old.
This is gonna be her first blizzard.
Yeah.
Is Mom gonna make you guys hot chocolate when you come back in?
Yeah, sure. Please.
So,
Please.
Okay, please. So
We better go get ready to go help our grandpa with the cows.
yeah,
Gear up.
yeah.
I'm putting 2 coats on to keep warm.
are you following your brother?
Yeah.
All right, these guys are doing 2 coats.
I'm overheating in this.
We're overheating. Hello. Where are your gloves?
I think they're in my backpack.
Yeah, this isn't But I wore 2 coats because now I'm not so cold.
So
I bet if I wore 1 coat,
here's the blizzard.
I would be cold out here.
Here's the blizzard in action. A couple tornadoes by the trash. What? That's our brother. He's clumsy in the snow. Oh man. Right now we are walking. You might be walking.
Snow
in
is
the
crazy.
Well, we might not because right now we're probably in the grass. Oh! Yeah, this is
I'm gonna see what it's like being a dog. Oh, man.
Bring the dog stuff.
Since I got these heavy boots on. Feed the cows, feed the pigs, open the chickens, turn on the water, and help Grandpa along.
Where's Grandpa?
black subscribers because he was mixing up fire. So here we are at the farm. I'm going to show you guys something cool. We got some deer antlers up there.
Our 2 coats on and our mom. Our 2 coats on.
We got a lot of wood for winter.
Okay, that's your bunk. Work together, guys. Okay, we're gonna go to these little bunks first, okay? The little bunks over there.
not me.
Here is your hot chocolate. 3 hot chocolates for my handsome boys in my life. My birthday boy is a birthday hot chocolate. Okay, here we go.
Like an ice cube.
How's the birthday hot chocolate?
Good. It's good. Can you buy
Thank you,
the
Mom.
regular whipped cream again?
Whipped cream on top too.
This is birthday cake hot chocolate?
This is birthday cake hot chocolate.
Don't be laughing at me. You take a sip and see what happens.